Master Shopify and unlock your financial freedom with the ultimate Shopify expert course. If you don't already know, passive income is money you earn without having to, well, earn it. After initial setup or investment, it usually requires no effort on your behalf except to check in and see how things are going. Examples of passive income include digital courses, online stores, and rental properties. In fact, rental properties are probably the most lucrative way to earn passive income, even if you're not familiar with how it works. Welcome to the How to Become a Shopify Expert from Zero to Hero course, the ultimate training program designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge to become a Shopify expert in a short period of time. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience with Shopify, this course will guide you step by step to master the platform and open doors to new career opportunities. Enroll now and embark on a journey to financial freedom with Shopify. Tim Sharp, a successful online entrepreneur, brings his extensive knowledge and real-world experience to this course. With years of experience in e-commerce, Shopify, affiliate marketing, and web and database development, Tim will guide you through the entire process of becoming a Shopify expert. Benefit from his expertise and learn the strategies that have helped him achieve online success. No prior knowledge of Shopify or technical skills are required to enroll in this course. All you need is the ability to use a web browser. The ultimate Shopify expert course starts from scratch, introducing you to the basic concepts of Shopify and gradually progressing to advanced topics. This makes it accessible and suitable for anyone who is eager to learn and build a financially secure future. Shopify is one of the leading e-commerce platforms, powering millions of online stores worldwide. As more businesses shift their operations online, the demand for Shopify experts is skyrocketing. By completing Shopify expert course, you will possess valuable skills that are in high demand in the job market. According to industry reports, Shopify experts can earn more than $100 per hour, providing you with the potential for a lucrative career. Upon completing this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of Shopify, enabling you to pursue various career paths. You can become a Shopify consultant, offering your expertise to businesses looking to establish or optimize their online stores. Alternatively, you can become a Shopify developer, specializing in customizing and enhancing Shopify websites. Finally, you have the option to establish your own online business using Shopify, giving you the freedom to work on your own terms and break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. By enrolling in this course, you are taking a crucial step towards building a financially secure future. Shopify skills are not only in demand, but also provide the flexibility to work from anywhere. As an online entrepreneur, you can enjoy the freedom to manage your own time, work from the comfort of your home, and potentially achieve a substantial income. The choice is yours. It depends on your commitment, determination, and the skills you acquire through this course. Enrolling in the How to Become a Shopify Expert from Zero to Hero course is your gateway to mastering Shopify and unlocking your financial freedom. With the guidance of an experienced instructor, you will gain comprehensive knowledge of the platform, opening doors to new career opportunities and the potential to establish your own online business. Don't wait any longer. Start building a financially secure future for yourself by enrolling in the course today. Remember, the only thing holding you back is your commitment and determination.